All right, let's look at the fifth dynamic programming problem in CSS and moving digits. So what's going on here? We're given an integer, and on every step we can subtract one of the digits from it. And the question is how many times can you do that to get down to 0? For example, 27. You can do this, right? 7, 2, 8, 1, 9. It's 5 steps to get to 0. So the basic idea is we're just going to implement this sort of brute force, right? For the number, compute which digits are in it, and then do the file of different digits, and we use CP to make it best. So let's do that. So we're at 0 already, done. We actually can't go negative if you think about it, because you remove the digit from number at number. Right, the digit has to be a number, sure. So we'll figure out what digits we actually can do. Process. Just go through all the digits of n and mark out the ones that are actually present. And probably shouldn't subtract 0, that doesn't make it any smaller. Okay, so for all the digits, pick the one which is the minimum. What's a safe value to like infinity here? It will not take more than n steps, since we're subtracting at least one every time. So start off with n. That should be it. Sure. 27, 5. Okay. Now we just need to memorize. We're using negative values. It's not yet computed. See? Cool. Yeah, so pretty straightforward. I guess the hardest part is just computing which digits we actually are allowed to subtract. Right? And so we're just going through, right, 10 gives you the last digit, and then dividing by 10 just cuts off that last digit. So we're processing, marking off the last digit is okay, then marking off the second last digit is okay, and so on through the whole number. And then all the digits that were actually in n, we just try subtracting them off. Right, the number of steps if you started off subtracting d is 1 for d, and then the optimal number of steps for n minus d. And the total runtime here is something like 10 times n. 2 million, so this loop only runs like 6 times, and this loop runs 10 times. And then this function is called n times. So that's the problem.